I am Prakash, physiotherapist. I have a clinic called Prakash Physiotherapy Clinic, which is in E-Road in Chettipalayam near CS Sengotaya Kalyana Mandapam near Milka Bread Company. I studied my physiotherapy in Savitha University, Chennai 20 years before. As soon as I finished, I came back working in some good hospitals, and after that I started my own clinic. That time I used to see plenty of patients. For example, stroke patients, osteoarthritis, back pain, neck pain, knee pain and paralysis. So these patients, doctor used to give medicine and I used to give exercise. Only through this we used to treat the patients. That time the success ratio was good but not up to what I was expecting. So out of 10 patients, I used to get a good result 6 patients. 4 patients are getting failure or simple results. So I was thinking what to do for this. Then fortunately I got a chance to travel plenty of countries. I was traveling for 7 years continuously, almost 30 countries. That time I was traveling, I was getting so many knowledge about so many things. That time I used to go to physiotherapy centers or rehabilitation centers in plenty of countries. I used to see how they treat the patients. That time I came to know something that this is not only medicine and exercise can cure the patient. This is also the patient mentality, mindset or positive thinking or happy mind. And the important factor is diet. Diet plays a major role in our prevention or even when we get disease, we want to come out of the disease, diet plays an important role. Now my approach is a universal approach, not like before. As soon as I receive the patient, I just check the report and all this. I don't start the exercise immediately. I started telling them regarding the mind setup and also I started telling them how the mind depends on the diet. Diet and mind both are, we cannot separate it. The good diet gives the good mind. So I started telling them diet. Now my exercise are 50% and diet is 50%. And I started providing them in my hospital, and also I started suggesting them this diet. That when I want to suggest a good diet, fiber diet and organic diet, I was thinking how can I get it. I wanted to find a place which is organic, which is certified and where I can get all the products, and also I want to get easy access. I don't want to go here and there because I need to see the patients. So then fortunately I came across Uyir Organic. It's really a fantastic organization which is run by farmers. So I found this, all my problems was rectified. Like I was getting all the products in one place in Uyir Organics. All the products are certified. Now they even open an app where we can order online and we can get the product in like 1 or 2 days. So which is really fantastic out of them. So with this service I use for my patients, and really I was getting wonderful results. Instead of 10 patients I was getting results for 6 patients, good results. Now instead of 10 patients, 9 patients or more really get they are getting full cure, and also they are in the future they are not getting it back. Thanks to Uyir Organic. Please keep the service more. Thank you.